Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Cashapp. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening up your Cashapp application or simply go visit cash.app in the web browser. In today's video, I'm going to go to the URL cash.app and press enter. From the official website of Cashapp, click on the sign in button and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, you'll end up in the activity page of Cashapp. You can send money on Cashapp if you know the recipient's phone number, email, or cash tag. Make sure you're also linked to a bank account. From your activity page of Cashapp, go and click on the new button at the bottom left. Once you do that, you'll end up in this page. Simply go ahead and type in the amount that you'd like to pay by typing it here at the top. And now into the to text box, type in the name of the recipient. You can also type in their cash tag or their phone number and even email. You can type in any one of them. For example, let me go ahead and type in an email address over here. After you're done, you can also type in multiple contacts right here. For example, let me add one more to the list. And that way you can keep adding more if you'd like to make multiple payments at once. On the next text box, enter a note stating the purpose of your payment. Let me simply type in rent for now and finally click on pay in order to make your payment, and your money will be sent to the recipient. That is how you can make an easy payment on Cashapp using the Cashapp website. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.